So the recipe that I'm going to be making today has so many different variations and preparations across India. So today I'm going to be making a chicken ghee roast Mangalorean style my way, but with a twist. So the twist is that I'm going to be making some chicken ghee roast spring rolls. Sounds interesting, right? So let's begin with the recipe. So for the chicken ghee roast, what we need is chicken legs. So we'll make the gashes on both the sides. So now what we'll do is we'll take a bowl and put the chicken legs in. So we'll marinate the chicken with some lemon juice, some turmeric powder and some salt. So what the lemon juice is going to do is it's going to tenderize the chicken nicely. So let's mix this marination up, and now let's keep this aside for 10 to 15 minutes for the marination to seep in. So for the ghee roast, what we are going to do is we are going to heat up a pan, add in a bit of ghee. It's chicken ghee roast, and don't be scared to add in too much ghee because ghee has never done harm to anyone. So let the ghee heat up nicely. Let's add in chicken pieces. So it's nicely seared from one side. Let's flip it. Now let's cook the other side nicely. In case if you're worried about the mess that's been created here, just grab a lid and place it on top and cook it nicely. So let's check on the chicken. Add in the red chili paste. So this chili paste is made from Byadgi chilies. So what we've done is we've soaked the chilies overnight and then we've grinded them into a paste using a dash of water. So let's cook this on a slow flame, keeping in mind that the chilies don't burn and everything gets cooked evenly. So let's put the lid back on and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes. So 5 to 6 minutes are done. Let's check the chicken. This looks perfect. So what we'll do now is add some jaggery, and what the jaggery will do is balance the flavors out because there's a lot of chili in the recipe. So we need to add some sweetness to cut it down a bit and balance the flavors. And now we'll add some cashew powder and some salt to taste. We'll add in a bit of water, roughly about 1/4 cup. Give it a stir. And now we'll cover it up and cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. So while the chicken is cooking, what we'll do is we'll prep a salad for our spring roll. We'll add in some julienne capsicums, some carrots, some red capsicum, yellow capsicum and some shredded cabbage. Now we'll season it with some salt, some pepper and some lemon juice. Mix it up nicely. So this salad is going to give the crunch to our spring rolls. So the salad is now ready. Let's check the chicken. And wow, amazing. It just looks beautiful. You can see the meat has fallen off the bone. We'll turn off the gas and let this cool down for a bit. So we've cooled the chicken down. All we have to do now is shred it. The chicken is nicely shredded. We'll let it coat evenly with all the masala that's left in the bowl, just like this. This is perfect. Let's keep this aside, and now it's time to assemble the spring rolls. So I have some ready-made spring roll sheets, and now we'll put in the salad. Now what we'll do is we'll add the chicken ghee roast. Now we'll take some refined flour slurry, so we'll paste it on all the sides. Now we'll fold this corner in, just like this, and this corner this way and this side this way. Press this slightly, keep folding it just like this. So our spring rolls are ready to be fried. Let's make some more and fry them up. Spring rolls are nice and ready. All we have to do is fry them. Let's just go ahead. As you can see, the oil was nice and hot and it's getting the color instantly. You just have to be careful and not get it too golden brown. This is just the perfect color. Let's get it out on absorbent paper. So our spring rolls are nicely done. Now let's just plate it up and let's just cut this up. You can hear the crunch, can't you? Perfect. Now you can see the layers, the chicken, the salad and the spring roll looks perfect. We'll just plate this up. So now we have some leftover salad. We'll just place this here. We'll add a lime wedge and a sprig of coriander. And the best spring rolls in the world are ready. So this is the perfect amalgamation of Chinese and Indian cuisine. I am sure you will love this recipe. Don't forget to try it out and let me know in the comments below.